Let this be a testament and let this be a foolproof that kuki-zo communities are not communal like any other communities. And we would like to urge the state government to take cognizance of this goodwill gesture by releasing two of our fellow brethren who had crossed the buffer zone yesterday at around 10 p.m. Now we would like to urge the center government and the state, as well as instruct the state, that as long as the kuki-zo breathe, as long as the kuki-zo have blood in their vein, will strive for our land, along with maintaining our decorum. And this is our goodwill gesture that the innocent and the bystanders should not be harmed. There should be a reciprocity on part of the state government. There should be a reciprocity on part of Biren Singh's government. And the brunt should not be on the civilians. We have seen so many video clips that emerges on the internet whereby innocent kuki-zo are dragged on the road, mutilated, beaten, but we are not going to restore to that standard. We are going to maintain our standard. We are going to demand our political aspiration in the most democratic form. And this is one of a message that we would like to give to our valued brethren. And for the center government to stop giving instructions or giving goodies to a deluded state administrator. Biren ji, you have crossed the line. Let this stop. We have crossed the line, we have to stop. As we have given interview by them, they should be our ambassador of goodwill messages to Imphal. And we want that reciprocity. Wars are fought on the battlefield. Wars are fought between soldiers with arms, not with civilians. If you are courageous enough, fight with the man with arms, not with the innocent civilians, where you ambush them on the way. So we would like to appeal to Biren Singh and the MP Sana Zauba and to all the elected representatives of the valley that enough is enough. Thank you.